kita for Mr. Luis! Yes, because of, well, age. And, we're going to have to say goodbye to him. But it's gonna be a complete program. Meron tayong mga guests na papasok. Umeffort po talaga kami. As you can see, we have balloons, we have pizza, we have the VJs here, guys! They're here to celebrate with us. And later on, there will be a ceremonial burning of contracts. We will dance around the fire, and that's something that you guys are waiting for. Okay, I'm so sorry for you. Anyway, what? Minutes lang mamaya, mamaya natin gagawin din. Ceremonial burning of the contract. Okay? In the meantime, we have Chico Sai. They were actually on Nick's template yesterday. So you guys enjoyed that. Today at 6 p.m. stop with this. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. we have Ronnie Yang. Alright? Here's Diamond Shotgun! Party! Party! Chico Sai Album launch tomorrow sa Eastwood. Para sa mga vampire fans natin dyan, make sure that you are there. Okay? And, oh, yes, Teacher Robbie's here! The party's here! Ay, may dala ka po. Oo naman! I'm so happy! Do you know why you're here? Yes, it says goodbye. You were happy about it. You not happy?
I'm so excited.
Celebrate!
I'm looking forward for the birthday.
You are gonna eat. You would like it. That's so much. Party! 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 Okay, guys. So, reminder for those of you who tuned in, we're actually celebrating the despedida of VJ Luis. While explaining, ano ba yung community social survivor saying goodbye to him?
Well, pretty much.
Thank you very much, VJ Nel. Ako, VJ Nel, pala ba, napaka ko pa naman. And fairness to you. But it's mostly age. And we're getting a lot of complaints. Apparently, science and technology cannot handle it. But it's okay. We're so thankful for the time that you spent with us. It's actually very sad that, okay, anyway, once again, because I'll launch tomorrow to Eastwood, and there are games later on. Para mag-relay, yung top newspaper dance, mixed mag dance, challenging. Kaya naman sana snow. Merong ball ng arena, hanapin yung coin. Goodbye! We will have that later on. And most importantly, the ceremonial burning of contracts. We will have that later on. In the meantime, we have Down by Jason with space at number 9. Welcome back to Minigilsa! Party! 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 We are having a party because we are saying goodbye. You know. Yes, due to some, well, unexpected circumstances and mga situations like, apparently, blasphemy is one. Blasphemy is one. I heard binabago niyang isa sa mga VJ natin. A very important VJ at that. Hindi ginagawa ang management, Ma'am Charo, so, Sir Andre, hindi rin sumasabi dito nagawa. But he was not going to try. So, whatever I say, go! This is why we're having a despedida against Big. And we'll take a picture of Miley Cyrus, Demi Lovato, or Selena Gomez. Sino ba? Ako, sa Miley Cyrus. Are you Miley Cyrus? Did you say Miley? Yes or na lang? Sino share that? witness the departure of Forbidden from me. So here is a song that career perfect falling down. God's action of it. Maraming salamat sa friendship, sa lahat ng naitulog sa lahat ng naibigay mo. Maraming salamat, i-share ko yun. Mamimiss kita, sobra. And that was Tony Gonzaga. Thank you very much, Tony, for your message. A friend of Luisa's. Talagang kita mo naman how good a person Luis was. Talagang iba yung impact niya sa mga tao. Although, never naging sila ni Tony. Sinika pa eh. Pero iba yung impact mo, in fairness to you, which is why we are having the celebration. And not just that, we have a special guest today from Wawawi Taping! That's right! I like your pink photo! That's right! Okay. Anyway. Okay, stand up. Ano lang, mababa lang para kunwari mainit. And overtaking Selena Gomez today is one of Miley Cyrus's biggest fans. I'm talking about Yael. That is so macho, Yael. That's pretty macho. Anyway, Yael and the rest of Punch Cola with Wala Kang Katulad.